Usually doing videos that are a little bit more informative, giving information about products, but this time I'm going to be trying this product. I decided that I wanted to take an opportunity to try products that can help me in my actual skincare journey. And so I have compiled a bunch of products that I'd like to try, and I'm going to be sharing them with you. So hopefully throughout this process, if I find something that works for me, hopefully it can work for you too. Let's get started. I'm going to be trying the Deto Bubble Kit. Ta-da! This box has 10 ampoules, 10 face masks, and a jar of cream. So I'm gonna be going through that and seeing how this works. So I think this mask is a little bit like carboxy in a way. Maybe because it just bubbles, but not necessarily because of carbon dioxide. This mask and the whole kit basically is said to boost the skin barrier and rejuvenate the skin, as well as get rid of any dead skin, any toxins, and hydrate the skin. So let's just jump in, let's just go. The first thing you need to do with this ampoule is you need to take off this little top piece here. Just pop it off, and then you want to take off this little piece up here as well, because you're just going to be like squirting it on your face and then rubbing it in. So you want to take it and you just want to apply it to your skin. All right. So I'm going to apply everywhere because you're going to put the face mask on as well. So you want to make sure you get all over your skin. And it might be hard to see on the camera, but I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, some discoloration on my face, and I also have really large pores. So hopefully this will help that, at least in a little bit, because obviously if you do it one time, it's not really enough, but sometimes you can see a little bit of a difference after one try. So hopefully we can see something. So before you put this on, you definitely need to make sure that your face is cleansed and you've used your toner. So the next step is to take one of these bubble masks and just put it on your face and wait. So we're going to be putting it on. We're going to be letting it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to remove it once we have a bunch of bubbles and foam basically on the face. So you just want to make sure you put it on just like any other sheet mask. And now we wait 15 to 20 minutes. I feel like it's already starting to bubble right here. Let's leave it be and then see how it looks in about 20 minutes. I've seen this mask being done once, and I feel like it is something really good if you want to just sit back and relax, because 15 minutes or 20 minutes is kind of a longer time, I think, for a face mask. Usually I just leave my face mask on for 10 minutes, but this is a little bit longer. And whenever I do masks that are this long, I like to just relax and even take a quick nap, but it is what it is. So I feel like I didn't put enough here and right above my lip. So I'm gonna take the ampoule and put a little bit more. Just so I can get some more bubbles. It's getting pretty thick, actually. Ooh. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the mask off, but look at this. There's so many bubbles, and it's still going. I can still hear the bubbles coming, but it's time, so let's take it off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put it on my face because whatever. You need to massage the rest in, just like the remaining bubble. Just massage it in. Because this is supposed to be very moisturizing as well. Ooh, I'm looking glossy. Ooh, Wow. My skin feels so soft. Okay, feeling real silky, real smooth right now. So now let's do the last thing, which is to put on the cream. So we have this, the Deto Bubble Cream, and I'm just gonna open it up and take a little bit out. This much, put it here, here. And this cream is like actually more watery than I thought, so I feel like it'll penetrate well into the skin. Yeah, look at that. Gone, like soaked it in. This cream literally just like soaked into my skin. Like my face was thirsty. Seriously, I don't have to do it that much more like putting it in. Like it's there. Like I don't have any more else to do. I think that overall, I kind of like this mask. It's not just like a regular face mask. It has these bubbles, which are really nice. And I feel like it actually did help with my skin. It helped with my skin's barrier because I have oily skin and it can be hard for me to find a product that like actually penetrates my skin and doesn't make it feel oily, or, you know, the other way around where it just sits on top of my skin because it's too thick. And so putting the ampoule on and then putting the mask on and having the mask just on my face, and it just kind of like felt relaxing and refreshing. And putting this cream on at the end is just like sealing it. I like it. It's not even oily at all. It feels great. Please let me know what you think. Have you ever seen this mask before? Like, have you ever seen one like it? And like I said before, anytime I try to do any like bubbling kind of thing, it just doesn't bubble up. But that was like a lot. The bubbles are still there. Yeah, so give it a thumbs up, share it, like it, comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll be returning with new products every week, so stay tuned. See you next time.